June 21st to July 22nd is ruled by the sign of Cancer. If Cancer had a motto, it might be, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." Cancers are naturally sweet-natured and nurturing people. If you're in a bad mood and just need someone to give you a hug, turn to a Cancer. They are wonderful at comforting others and giving you the pep talk you need to go take on the world. As you can imagine, people this tender can easily get hurt. But Cancers are far from defenseless. They can and will use their claws if you try to take advantage of their good-hearted nature one too many times. Cancer's ruling planet is the moon. Their colors are the moon's silver and the green of the ocean. Their moods can vary, just the way that moon phases do. They have been known to get snappish in some of their darker moods. Their connection to the moon also makes them naturally intuitive. Because they're so used to their instincts being right, Cancers sometimes have a tendency to want to micromanage their loved ones, convinced they always know best. Some people might call them moody or even smothering, but Cancer's friends know that Cancer's warm heart will always be there when the world gets too cold. Some famous Cancers are Tom Cruise, Meryl Streep, Princess Diana, Tobey Maguire, Harrison Ford, Mike Tyson, Liv Tyler, Ernest Hemingway, Jessica Simpson, and Will Ferrell. This is just a small peek into Cancer. Remember, where the rest of your planets fall on your astrological birth chart can enhance classic Cancer traits or shade them so that they are expressed in a way that is unique to you. To find out more, talk to any one of our skilled astrologers who can expertly analyze your chart to help you better understand yourself and how to use that knowledge to be your best self.